This is Airblock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. Airblock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. Airblock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids, and big kids, about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. Airblock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? Airblock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With Airblock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. Airblock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes Airblock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get Airblock off the ground, so back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have Airblock. Support the cause and get your own. Airblock. Code to fly.